Hello guys! Welcome to Castillo de la Morosa! Guys, yung pagkakaalam ko, ito yung pinagshootingan nung huling Transformer. Yan o. Di ba yan yun? Yan o. Yan yung castle, oh. Yan, oh. Diyan galing si Bumblebee, oh. At diyan pumarada, oh.
Hi!
Ang ganda. Oh. Ganda dito guys, para kayo talagang nasa palasyo ng isang ang galing. Oh. Pagkakaalam ko, ito'y laging pinagsushootingan. Sa loob guys. Ito na. Hi. Restaurant to guys. Ginawa nilang restaurant. Kita ninyo. Ginawa nilang restaurant. Pero para kayo nasa castle. Diba? Tapos yan na CR. Key. Hindi ka na nga lang pwedeng pumasok dito. Kasi inaayos nila. Ito guys yung church nila. Ganda oh. Yung mga upuan. Hanggang sa bubong, sa ilaw. Galing. Pero nagagamit to guys ha. Hindi ito yung parang mga exhibit lang. Nagagamit nila to. Kita ko sa inyo guys kung saan isinet up yung camera ni si Transformer. Dito siya. Nalingkit ko kayo sa taas. Doon sa tower na yon.
Dito ako na.
Guys, papakita ko sa inyo 360 tayo. Dahan-dahan lang para mas makita ninyo kung gaano kaganda dito pag nasa taas. Ganda guys na. Sa mga pelikula, kunwari, mga archer dito. Yan yung front nito, yun yung kalsada. Balik tayo sa taas guys. Balik tayo. Yung mga materialis na ginamit, parang ito pa yung original. Balik. So yan oh. Hindi na nga lang pwedeng panigan to. Siyempre, baka masira. Guys, nasa rooftop na tayo. Ganyan. Ito, tatanda nyo yung pinakita ko mesa sa inyo. Yan yun. Ganda naman view dyan sa top na yan.
Several times, if you had a lot of money, which a lot of castle owners usually did, iron was a sign that you had a lot of money because it was expensive, very expensive to build and make and put into these kind of things. So beautiful, beautiful doors here.
Tour. Paggawa ng alak. Wine.
This is called the AVA room, cultural area, and 17 districts. Well, let me back up. Napa Valley is broken up into 17 districts. Each one has their own name because each one has their own microclimate, soil conditions, and we call them all different names. We are all kinds of other famous districts here as well. You might recognize a few of them. But from here, we are going to go into lower levels of the castle. There are 8 levels to the castle. Did I mention that already? 4 above ground, 4 below ground. The owner won't let us oil. Right. I will get these spooky gate behind it. Close. Now we're not going to go to the right of the castle, and we remove the soil and we reinforce the walls. And this is where we store thousands of barrels of wine throughout the year, from 1.5 to 3 years, and we rotate them. So sometimes there's a certain part of the year where we auction off about a quarter of the barrels, and we buy brand new barrels, and we bring the brand new barrels in. Okay. Do means in Italian or sometimes Spanish. You're kind of close there. No, I know it means 500. And if you are what's called a Cinquecento member, that means you came to the castle, you tasted the wine, and you were so impressed.
Tutulong ako sa castle na to. Nagpatulong ako dahil dito palang gawaan ng mga wine. Sarap na wine dito sa Amerika.
Is that 2? Yeah, almost, yeah. So it is only starting to pick up on the flavors of the barrel, really. And it's starting to mellow out because in the first several months it was pretty rough. Very, very strong tannins. The longer it's in the barrel, before we start serving it,
that's right.
Because that allows tannins and flavors to mellow out even more, become even more delicious and drinkable. But you can buy this right now. In fact, I'll let you know, right now is the cheapest it will ever be. It's 20% off compared to what it will be in about 2.5 years from now. And we do that.
Torture chamber. Imagine guys, pumupuin ka sa ganito.
Except for one.
Torture chamber pala to noon.
This one. Does anyone recognize this or know the name of it by chance? Thank goodness they don't make these anymore. And thank goodness this one's quite old and one of the few left in the world. I'm going to say the first name because you may kind of recognize it, and let me know if you recognize it. You can say the second name, okay? There's 2 words to it. This is called the Iron Maiden. Oh, good job! I love it when the brain works that way. This is called the Iron Maiden.
Guys, tour. Hindi panik. Grabe, nakakalasing. Ito to guys. Ito yung mga ubas eh. Taniman ng ubas dito sa likod ng castle. Tapos dito na ginagawa yung mga wine. Dinadala doon, nakita niyo yung building ngayon. Yun yung tinuturo. Doon nila dinadala. Dahil itong castle, dati to gawaan pa ng, ito yung unang gawaan ng wine. Tapos marami na rin nag-shooting dito. Like Dragonheart and Transformer. Yan, tindaan na yan.
Tama ka.
Yeah. Tsaka dito guys, itutur kayo. Pagka-tour nyo, patitikim sa inyo yung ilang wine nila. Siguro mga 10 wine ang isa-shot ninyo. So nalasing ako. Nalasing talaga ako guys. Pero masarap yung mga wine nila. So, bawat isang shot, kasama yon sa tour ninyo sa binayaran is may 45, 35, may 15, may 24, yung dollars, yung ano nila, yung bawat alak nila. Kasama yun sa binayaran nyo.